In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Apollo.io with your Google account to streamline your email management process. Connecting these platforms can really enhance your workflow, so let's dive right in. First, let's start by opening Apollo.io. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. From here, we need to navigate to the email section, so click on Manage Mailboxes to get started. At this point, you might notice a few mailbox options if you've connected accounts before, but if this is your first time, it'll be a clean slate. Now what we want to do is link your mailbox. To do this, click on Link Mailbox. This is where things get exciting because we'll actually be integrating your Google account with Apollo.io. You'll see a list of the possible services you can link. Here, look for the Google option, which represents your Gmail account. Before you proceed, keep in mind that linking your Google account will allow Apollo to access your Gmail for sending and managing emails. Make sure you check the box next to your email account. It's always good to double check that you've selected the correct email if you manage multiple accounts. Once that's done, click Link Mailbox again to move forward. Now here's where Apollo requires Google's permissions to link your account. You'll see a prompt to choose your Google account. Simply click on the account you want to connect. If you manage all your emails through one Gmail account, select that. But if you have separate professional and personal accounts, ensure you select the one that's relevant to your business activities. After clicking on your Google account, you'll be guided to a permissions page. Here you'll need to authorize Apollo to have access to certain functionalities of your Google account, like email and calendar features. Click Continue to proceed with granting these permissions. It's important to not rush through permissions, so take a second this time and click Continue once more. This confirms all the accesses you've authorized and regularly helps avoid any login issues or connectivity errors later on. And just like that, you're set. With your Gmail now linked to Apollo.io, emails can be managed more efficiently, and you can even automate outreach directly through Apollo's tools. This setup is crucial for anyone looking to enhance their productivity and streamline communication. If you have any questions on this process or would like to explore further features, feel free to check out other tutorials or the FAQ section on Apollo.io. That's it for today's guide. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful guides. See you in the next video.